Hi, my name is NOSHAVYAH Naomi Beresford. My desire is to attend Kean University to pursue a bachelor degree in fine art, and I am so grateful and thankful that I have been accepted to begin fall 2024. High school has been a rewarding academic experience for me. I participated in many clubs and community events. My future educational goal is to earn a BA in Fine Arts with a minor in graphic design. After completing that, my intention is to earn my MA in Fine Arts Studio. This will help me to realize my career goal as a professional artist, designer, consultant. Contribute meaningful to the dynamic landscape of art worldwide. I'm a student facing socio-economic barriers who wants the opportunity to triumph through the transformative power of education. Since I was a little girl, art has always inspired me. My mom has always motivated me by decorating the walls of our home with my pieces of artwork. My dream is to become a next Picasso. I have drawn inspiration from many artists. However, I believe art is my God-given talent. Art is life. I can communicate my innermost thoughts and reflect various human experiences. Thanks for listening to my video.